Here at Simply Garden, with over 50 years of gardening experience, I believe in keeping things simple and productive while gardening in your own backyard.
We are the first full week of July here, and we are going to do a hive update. So the main thing we're checking for this week are going to be mites, and we did some mite counting. Now, one of our hives ended up only having about 1 or 2 on a mite board. So this year, we're going to try an old European trick of using rhubarb leaves in the hive. So what you're going to basically do is take the rhubarb leaf, I'm going to crush the stalk and place it on the rhubarb leaf. This is then going to go between our 2 deeps here. But before we get to that, because we're going to need smoke for that, we want to check the honey, and come look at this. So this hive actually has 3 of our honey supers on, but this is our second one down, fully capped, building out a double
layer.
Look at that.
Look at the bees in it. Look at this, huh? It is so. Oh, this stuff tastes.
If you guys
like,
could smell it. Oh my goodness!
And it tastes it when it's
smell.
warm, honey, with the comb in there. Oh.
So each of these frames is about 3 pounds of honey,
and
I think we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fully drawn out here. Go ahead, let's see what's in the next one.
Here we go. Oh, it is. So that weight will be what, about
20, well currently, not even including the frames, is about 21 pounds of honey up there.
Yeah. They haven't done much on the outside yet. Will they ever do anything on the outside, do you think?
Maybe not, because they went up, but they've completely filled up that top box. We can just checkerboard those in.
Oh, you want to do that?
Look at this. Oh, they have gone out with these. Oh, this is beautiful.
So let's take a look here.
Yeah.
Hold on here. I'm going to take this one here, okay? They're just all lined up, just hanging out. Now this is the hive that we start with a package.
It is.
But we did give them some frames that already had some activity, so it kind of helped them along. But these
so
are
this
just
is
being
not...
Okay, these haven't been capped on this side
Nope,
yet.
not capped, but you can tell there's a nice nectar in there. Same with down here, it's nice and shiny. This is ready, but because it's not 90% capped, the honey has not finished its curing process. So we'll put that one back in.
Right.
But I bet you that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably 6 of these
are capped.
is fully capped.
Okay, so we'll leave this alone for now. And what do you want to do? We want to pull this down because we're going to put between there the rhubarb leaves,
Yep,
right?
so go ahead and take that one down.
Okay, this gets exciting and get down below. This is where they get a little bit more
Feisty?
Feisty, because I think they're trying to protect the queen. It is a little cooler today. Yesterday was 95. We didn't want to feel like doing this when it was 95 degrees out. Of course, a good weight loss program. If you want to lose about 5 pounds in about an hour, you will. All right. You ready?
Ready. You want the smoke after this. You don't want to use the smoke when you're working on the top boxes because, well, that's your honey and it will make a smoky honey.
I'm trying to go slow because, believe it or not, fast movements gets the bees more stirred up, and that's how you get stung in your legs. Okay. Lays right on top. All right, so now.
Smoke.
Smoke. Hope it's still working. Hold on, get some more. Here we go.
So go ahead and bring that right in their entrance. That kind of shocks the guard bees.
Here we go. Here it comes. Come out nice now.
Beautiful.
We're using basically for the fuel dried leaves from last fall and sumac seed pods. They actually like it. Helps control mites, they say too. All right, how's that?
Okay.
And next we're going to. I want to put this down.
Do you want to switch? You can video me because I'm going to be looking for queens.
Yeah, go ahead.
I need the other one of these.
Okay, the other one is. Like I say, guys, this is not practiced. This is just go as you got it. All right.
So I'm going to get on this side. I'll switch sides with you.
All right, you want a little more smoke?
We have a gorgeous laying of eggs in the open spots.
I'm going to get real close so you can see. Will you tell them what they're looking for?
So you're looking for something that looks like a sliver, a tiny little, smaller than a grain of rice.
Okay, so hopefully you picked up on that because I can't see with my eyes. But
Yep, they're in there.
okay, so we're good with that.
And we have our nice, here, if you actually get down here, there's larva.
Okay.
And then we still have our captain. This is our capped drone. So we want to take, we're going to put a drone frame in.
All right.
So what a drone frame is let me show you. So the theory has it is that up here, Dad.
Sorry. I'm trying to get out of the sun. Yep.
The theory is that the drones are who carries the most varroa mites. So by using one of these, the comb pattern on this is going to trick the bees into laying just drones on this frame. We're actually going to get rid of this after it's, what, 21 days in, right, Dad?
A couple weeks, yeah.
21 days in, we're going to take it out. We're going to freeze it, sacrificing those bees, but also dramatically lowers the mite count. We're going to put this in 3 in...
I see you did a little research today, didn't you, huh?
No, I just remember.
You remember from last year? Last year we had a huge mite problem last year.
So this is actually a fully almost honey one, but that's fine. This side, this is fine. We'll give it to them. Put that here.
Oh, you're just going to leave it out here?
Sure.
Let them eat it.
Let them eat it.
Okay.
And this one goes in.
So we're going to do that, and then we're going to take this one off. We're going to put between it rhubarb leaves.
Yep, exactly.
All right, so go ahead.
Switch with you.
Smoke. And this is going to be very heavy. This is probably about, what, 45 pounds?
Yeah, where are you going to put it?
I'll put it on top
on
of
that behind you. Okay.
This is going to take a little while to get loosened up here. There we go. That cracking noise, tell them what that is, Jen. That
is the, oh shoot, I'm having a mind drop. What is it?
Propolis.
Propolis.
Yep.
And that's they seal anywhere they see light, they seal it.
Okay, here we go.
Got it?
Oh, the bees in here, thousands and thousands of them. Woo! You guys have a nice, healthy hive.
This is a beautiful
smoke.
hive. So we're
Now,
just going to leave them.
We still have the feeder in here.
While we're down there, we can actually take the feeder out and put that one in.
Okay. Yeah, we kind of got ahead of ourselves this spring.
No, really, we planned this, right, Dad?
Oh, we did? Okay,
no, we didn't.
What happened? Why did the feeder get taken out? Something happened. Short on time?
I think we were just short on time and knew they needed space.
Yep.
But look at how perfectly this is going to work.
Put your mic in there. Okay, so we're going to put this back.
Yep.
Do I need to worry about having it all spaced out just right? It doesn't really matter.
Leave it.
Leave it. Okay, let me get some rhubarb leaves. You want 1 or 2?
2. They're kind of small.
Okay, so we got to crush these leaves, right?
Crush the stems?
Stems, I mean, yep.
I don't think we need all those stems, just maybe part of them. The point is we're trying to get the leaves a little wet because that starts the breakdown process.
All right. Hold on there. Whoop. Okay, here we go. For being so hot and dry, I'm amazed at the amount of bees and honey. You just want 1 stem?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to do what? We're going to crush it down.
Crush it, and then that's going to get kind of folded on top of that goes on top of the leaf.
Like this?
Yep.
Okay, you got it. This is we've never done this before, but this came from where? Poland?
Yes.
Because why?
You know, that's a big enough leaf. I say we just do that and give them the...
Do I need to break that off, get that out of there?
I don't like, no, I think we're going more of a natural approach this year. Let's just leave any of the comb down there.
Okay, will this be enough to get in?
Yeah, they're going to work on that. So what the bees are going to do is they are going to be mad that something foreign is in their hive. When they chew, they won't be eating it, but they'll chew up that rhubarb leaf. And as they do, it will release the, what type of acid is it, Dad?
Muric acid or something like that?
We'll tag that below. So it releases the acid that then, minimal damage to the bees, all natural, and kills off those mites.
Look at the bees in that corner. Let's see if we can brush those in.
Yeah.
You got a brush right behind you?
I'm gonna wrap it up.
And, sorry?
You wanna wrap it up?
Yeah, wrap it up. Yep, yep. So we're going to wrap it up. We're going to close this guy up here. And hopefully you enjoyed the excitement here. So we're going to go ahead and put our queen excluder in here, back on. It keeps the queen from going up above. Some people don't do it, but our educator, guru if you want to call him, teaches us to use a queen excluder. All right, here we go.
Okay, I'm gonna